So we're at Gogi, and you order on this iPad thing.
Oh no. Okay, that one.
Really? I hope it's good. Gogi, and you order on this iPad thing for HotPot and KBBQ.
Oh, they even have this plain hot water.
We have a starters. If you're like anything that
I'm gonna do mushroom.
What kind of meat do you want? I'll be right back to you. Yeah. I think you took a picture. Oh no. Okay, that one. Sorry. And you want brisket? Okay. Ramen. I want ramen. I want pork. Okay. Sheila don't like this stuff. Yeah, we did all beef. There's a lot going on here. Good. So far? Delicious. Yeah, I'm digging it. I don't know if we're particularly good at this style of eating, but we're figuring it out. I got some of the japchae noodles. They should have gotten a different base.
These are cold, but this one's warm. It's pretty good. Yeah, that one took a while. Round 2.
And let's use the meat on this side. Like
broths. I got a kimchi. And what did you get?
I got
Miso?
miso.
Ooh. Cool. We got our meat, of course. Enoki mushroom, shiitake mushroom, and my favorite, rice. Gotta love rice. How do we know when that's ready? How do we know when that's ready? It's very sweet, very sweet. Not what you were expecting, right? Yeah, it's like, I'm a jam. Now the question is, have we gotten $80 worth? Broth with some steak.
What's the miso?
Huh? That one's good though? Oh, that's a mistake. No. So I didn't finish this meat, so I was thinking that's why I was seeing I wasn't going to like this one as much. I want to end on a good note. But if I drown it in my sauce, it's okay. Can't do it. Oh, I gotta do that. I can't do that anymore. Okay, over there. What's wrong? Really? I don't think it's too much.
It's not hot. It's just gonna melt it a
Hard.
bit.
The ice cream is very hard.
Super frozen. Warming it up. Warming it up. See, look, I can get a little something.
So what's that?
Fondue?
Fondue, what's that?
Basically bread and then you dip it in fried bread that's dipped in condensed milk.
Stomach is slurpy. Already. Fondue. Oh, that's pretty good. What do you think, so? What do you think?
I just don't know if I necessarily need the... I could have probably been okay with just the hot pot. But I did like the ribs. The ribs was the best.
Right.
I didn't like my broth.
You don't like your broth, both of them?
Yeah. The first one was super bland.
Yeah. The broth here is a little bland. Even the two I tried wasn't amazing, but it wasn't bad. Better than water. Some people like just water.
They have this water.
Yeah, some people like that. If I come back here, I'm just more of a Korean barbecue guy. I like HotPot for the ramen, but beyond the ramen part, I don't actually like HotPot that much. I really don't like it because I can put ramen in it.
Right.
So
Then why are we going here? We should do what you want.
it sounded good.
Yeah.
But I do like Korean barbecue.
Right.
I think having both of them, Korean and HotPot, is too much.
Right.
Like for me, I can't multitask like that.
Right.
I would like Korean barbecue with the sauce bar. Right?
Yes.
That would be awesome.
That would be so good.
Because I was putting some of this in the sauce. Alright,
Thank you.
thank you. I was putting my Korean barbecue in my sauce that I made.
Right. Oh, mine made my sauce so good today.
Well, that's kind of where we stand. HotPot versus Korean barbecue. Where do you stand here on Gogi? I like it. Yeah, it's a good place. I like the way you order on the iPad thing. But I still like Seapot a little bit more. Because I like the thing going around.
Right.
But this is a good place. I'd come back.
You're paying the same price. It's still 40, right? No, I think it's cheaper. I think it's cheaper. Seapot.
Is it? I thought Seapot was more.
No, it's only $30 plus 5 for no, maybe it's 32.
I feel like Seapot was very expensive.
No. It's about the same price as this one. But the thing is, with Seapot, I like how it goes around. And I could pick more stuff.
Right.
Instead of having to wait for the round.
Per minute.
It's 10.
Start like a little bit after 7. You've been here for 2 hours. Damn. It was good. I like it. I dig it. I'll come back. Gogi in Elk Grove, California.